How to use AI to stop losing my customers. I'm busy. I can't answer my phone. I lose money. Does AI help my small business? UK AI Business Review. Understandable AI with Mehdi. Hello. Let me start with a real story first. Last week, I asked a pharmacist about a multivitamin jelly for my child. While we were chatting, he didn't answer a couple of phones. They were missed. I could understand how both of them were feeling, the customer and the pharmacist. That's why I produced this podcast. My name's Mehdi, and I talk about understandable AI to support small businesses in the UK and see opportunities others miss. Today, we are going to talk about phone calls that customers make to bring money to your business, but they often make you stressed. You answer phones in out of working hours, weekends, and family time, but still you miss some of them. If you run a small shop, a cafe, or you are a plumber or a builder in the UK, you know this feeling. You are busy working, your hands are full, then the phone rings. You can't answer it. You think, I will call them back later. But the sad truth is, most people will not wait. As far as we understand, 4 out of 5 people will not call back if they don't get an answer the first time. They just call the next business on Google's search results. For some businesses, missing a call is losing money. It is like having a hole in your pocket. Every ring that goes to nothing is a few pounds falling out. For some businesses that have a lot of customers but few suppliers, they don't care about missing calls. They're fully booked for the coming months. We understand sooner or later these businesses lower their level of trust among their customers even if they are fully booked. Trust is not an overnight action, it's a process. We build our business based on trust. For some other businesses, they thought might be, I need to hire a new person to sit by my phone, my partner, my sister, or a new employee. But that costs a lot of money. Today, I want to show you a different way. A way to answer every call, 20 hours a day, without hiring anyone new, without answering phones during your child's football match or family party. To illustrate it in a simple way, let me use a few numbers. For 2026, small businesses understand they need to be very cautious about their costs. Costs are high. Hiring a full-time person to answer phones in the UK can cost you thousands a year. For a small business, that is a lot of sales just to pay one person. Also, think about when people call. Many people try to call a business after they finish their own work, maybe at 7 in the evening or on a Sunday morning. If you're closed, you lose that customer, especially if your competitors are answering their phones. Some people use an answer phone or voicemail. Answer this question honestly. Do you like leaving messages? Most people don't. They want to talk to someone now. They want to know whether you have a table for 4, can fix their leak on Tuesday, or have an emergency dental appointment available. If they can't get an answer immediately, they go to Google and find the next supplier. This is what I call leaking money. Exactly, a hole in the pocket. Your hard work in the marketing brings them, your customers, to your phone number on Google. But then the money leaks away at the last step. They are not converted into money for your business. So, how can I stop losing my customers? The opportunity is a new kind of smart helper or digital assistant. You might have heard about the AI tools. Let me put it this way. Think of it as a very smart answering machine that can actually talk and help. In the past, these tools were bad. They had cold, robotic voices. They had delays and made people angry. But things have changed. Now, these are tools that sound like a real person from London, Manchester, Birmingham, or Norfolk. They are polite, never get tired, and never miss a call. It can also answer in your favorite voice. You can have a digital helper that answers your phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It can tell people your opening times. It can book a meeting in your diary. It can even take an order. It handles the simple tasks so you can focus on the most important work. It also answers the most frequently asked questions. How can you actually do this? You don't need to be a computer expert. There are several highly rated tools that work well for UK businesses. What I can tell you about these AI voice assistants is 3 things. First, these tools make voice assistants that sound very human. Small businesses use them. They are great because they understand different British accents very well. Second, some of them allow you to create a helper that answers the phone and follows your rules. You can connect your phone, schedule, and computer information system all together. For example, if you are a hairstylist, you can tell the tool, if someone wants an appointment, look at my Google Calendar and pick a free time. The third point is that they are super fast and have no delay. They can handle hundreds of calls at the same time. If you have a very busy morning where 20 people call at once, you can talk to all 20 of them. Listen to this example. You're a local garage in Leeds. You are great at fixing cars, but you're always under a car with greasy hands. You set up a smart helper. Now, when a customer calls to ask, "Is my car ready?" the caller checks the system and says, "Yes, Mr. Smith, your car is ready to pick up at 4 p.m. You don't have to stop working. The customer is happy and no money is lost. If you want to do this, here is your simple plan. 1. Write down your top 5 questions. What do people ask when they call? Questions like, where are you? What are your prices? Or can I book a time? 2. Pick a tool. You can choose one of them. Start with something simple. Many of these tools have a free trial period. 3. You type in the answers to those 5 questions. This is how the helper learns to follow your rules. 4. Call the number yourself. Speak to it. If it sounds good, turn it on. You don't have to change how you work today. You can just set it to answer the phone when you are already on the other line or after you go home. To wrap up, your time at work is for making money through customers who trust you. Don't spend your time answering the same questions 20 times a day. And don't let customers walk away because you are too busy to pick up the phone. Remember the pharmacist I told you about at the beginning of this talk? Use a smart helper. It's cheaper than hiring a new worker, stays awake all night, and stops your money from leaking away. It's a patch for your pocket. Thank you for your interest in using AI for retaining your customers, and many thanks for joining me today. UK AI Business Review: Understandable AI with Mehdi.